then dreams ignite. After the noise, we tune to light. Families first, the bills won't fade, but we keep visions that we made. When the lights go dim, we rise again. Not for height, but to build and win. Built after hours, real and true. Real people, real talks, breakthrough. Side hustles, hope that midnight fire. We build our dreams with strong desire. No shortcuts, just hard and drive. Changing lives while we survive. This is our time, this our sound. Yeah, we're built when the sun goes down.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and every one of you. Welcome again to our Go Live episode. Happy Friday, everyone. I hope this week was productive and successful for you guys. So, hi to my co-host, Miss Roxanne and Miss Memeline. How are you? How are you?
Good. Thank you.
Good. Yeah. So for today, we just want a minute of your views or thank you for joining us live. And if you ever didn't catch us live, you can always catch us on replay on our pages, each and every one of you. So, hi guys, once again, happy Friday. This is March, by the way, originally from the Philippines, and now currently staying here in California, USA. A regular employee, a full-time, and a digital business owner. So hello guys. So let me or can I just be can we just be honest with you guys? Have you ever felt that you're doing the right things, putting in the effort every single day, but the results are taking forever to show up? And you start wondering if this is even working, or you're just wasting your time, or maybe that we're not just cut out for this kind of journey. So if ever you felt this way may this live is for you. So welcome once again everyone for joining in our live episode. Good evening to each and every one of you, and wherever you may be. So our topic for today is how to handle slow progress. So um, a lot of us um, a lot of us is starting a journey right now, or started a journey right now, like it's in our career, in business, in fitness, in relationships, or even in our personal growth. But the thing is, you see in the social media, all you see is their success, but you do not see the behind the scenes of those success. So I just want to remind everyone that growth is often invisible before it becomes visible, or success usually happens after many small actions and not through one big breakthrough. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's just it takes step by step repetitive action that you do every day. Even if you're not feeling well, you still have to show up. So that is where success is measured. So just because you don't see results yet doesn't mean that there is nothing, or nothing it doesn't mean that nothing is happening. So you see, slow progress doesn't mean that there is no progress at all. You see, for if you have ever planted a tree, or if you ever have planted a seed, it grows root before it grows branches. So it takes slow, and before it's gonna show up as a beautiful tree, or as a beautiful flower, or as a beautiful fruit. So it takes time. So many times the most important growth is happening beneath the surface. So you cannot see the results yet because it's still happening beneath it. So when it actually builds up, then you can see the result. Like for a tree, when it actually grows its roots, you can actually see the branches or the leaves. You can actually see them growing. It's the same with our skills, confidence, discipline, and mindset. We have to build everything so that we can see the result before we can see results. So to my viewers, thank you for watching. So let me pass the floor to my co-host here. Who wants to go first? Please, Roxanne.
Okay. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. I'm Roxanne, originally from the Philippines, now residing in Seattle. How do we handle slow progress? When progress feels slow, these are the few things I personally do. I always remind myself why I started. When things get challenging, I go back to my why, which is my family, and my big purpose, which is to create more options, more flexibility, and more quality time with my family. I focus on small wins because not every win is visible. You have to learn new skills, show up consistently, and step outside my comfort zone are all signs of progress. So you have to celebrate each win, no matter how big or small it is. I stopped comparing my journey to others because everyone has a different starting point, different circumstances, and different timeline. And I stay connected to the positive people. Being surrounded by mentors, coaches, and supportive community help me stay encouraged, and focused. I'm so grateful with our digital business because we have a very supportive global community that are always there for us any time of the day. And I continue to learn and grow, read some books. Instead of asking why is it working, I ask what can I learn from this. I listen to some podcasts, read some books, do some trainings from our mastermind so we have to learn every day. We need to keep growing. We have to have a personal development so we can help others to do the same. I celebrate progress, not perfection, because I rather move forward slowly than being stuck, waiting for the perfect moment. And we always need to pray to God and trust God's timing. Sometimes what feels like a delay is just actually a preparation for something bigger. As a mom and a wife and a full time employee with doing this business on the side, I've learned that not every season is about growth. Some seasons are about building the foundation for your future. Slow progress is still a progress. Small steps still move you forward. And the only way to truly fail is to quit. So don't ever quit. Keep going. You'll never know that your breakthrough is just around the corner. Thank you.
Thank you for that, sis Roxanne. So to our dear viewers, if ever you're starting a journey or thinking of starting a journey or thinking of starting something today, just keep on going even if you don't see results yet, because what you're building, especially when that keeps you growing, you focus on that one. So have you ever felt discouraged because your progress was slower than expected, or what helped you keep going? So we would like to read your answers in our comment box below. So to our dear viewers, how can you handle slow progress? So all the way to Canada, let us hear from Sis Nemilin on how she handles her slow progress. Hi, Sis Nemilin.
Hello, sis. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Nemeline again, coming to you live from Ontario, Canada. I'm originally from the Philippines. My personal reflection about this topic, how to handle slow progress. As a reserved person with big dreams, I know how what it feels to wonder if all the effort is worth it. May mga pagkakataon na tinatanong ko rin yung sarili ko, am I doing enough? Why that it seems like others are moving faster than me? Will I ever reach my goals? Maybe some of you felt the same way, whether it's building a business, improving your finances, learning new skills, or pursuing a dream. Progress can sometimes feel painfully slow. In my business, what I learned is this: slow progress is still progress. Gaya ng sabi ni Sis Marge, a tree doesn't grow overnight. Before we see growth above the ground, roots are developing underneath where nobody can see them. Many of us focus on what hasn't happened yet instead of celebrating how far we've already come. I know many of you are juggling a lot, working full time, taking care of your family, managing household responsibilities, trying to build something for your future. But at the end of the day, you're exhausted. Sometimes, mga 15 to 20 minutes lang ang nailalaan nyo toward your goal. And you know what? That still counts. Those small daily actions add up over time. One of the biggest mistakes we make is comparing our chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 2. Nakikita natin yung success stories ng iba, pero hindi natin nakikita yung years of effort nila, yung mistakes na nagawa nila and lessons behind them. Your journey is unique. Your timeline is unique. Focus on your lane and keep moving forward. Pag may mga times na nakakaramdam din ako ng discouragement, but I remind myself, progress is not always visible immediately. Every small steps matters. Consistency beats perfection. Kaya kahit hindi ko pa nakikita yung results na gusto ko, I keep on moving. God's timing is different from my timing. So I trust in God. Quitting guarantees failure, but persistence creates possibility. So, yun ang ginagawa ko, how to handle slow progress. Naniniwala ako na every action, kahit man gaano kaliit, still a progress and it adds up. If you're in a season where things slow right now, don't give up. The seeds you're planting today may become the harvest you're praying for tomorrow. Yan ang lagi kong nire-remind sa sarili ko. So I keep on learning, I keep showing up, I keep believing, I keep taking action even when the results aren't immediate. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na your future self will thank you for not quitting. Yun lang sis. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Nemeline, for that. Yes, so as a human being, hindi every day is every day we don't feel good because like for us, sabi nga ni Sis Roxanne, she's a full-time employee, she's a working mom and at the same time a digital business owner. Same with Sis Nemeline too, she's still working. Same with me too, I'm still working full-time while doing this. So there are times that we really feel exhausted. There are times that we really feel drained physically and emotionally and mentally, but that doesn't stop us to be consistent in what we are doing. Yung sabi ni Sis Roxanne kanina, If ever that you feel like quitting, remember why you started this journey, or remember why you started your journey. You reconnect with your purpose. You reconnect with your why, and your why will eventually motivate you to go on. And think about your family. Think about the freedom you want, and think about the impact that you would create or that you would make. So you see, your why will carry you through the days when progress feel slow. So, and you have to trust the process too. You see, most people, they quit before the right before things start to work. In the middle of their journey, they quit because they don't see any, um, maybe they're seeing a slow progress, but a slow progress is still progress.
Mhm.
It still means that you're moving forward. So you see, results often show up after long periods of consistency. A lot of successful people, you didn't see their behind the scenes, those late nights, those drained hours, those drained, physically drained. They have been physically drained too, but it never stops them from moving forward. So that's the thing that we didn't see with successful people. And like what I've said a while back, results often show up later after long periods of consistency. So, ang sa akin, pag nandito ka, if you started a journey, consistency and determination goes hand in hand for you to see result. It may be slow, but it's still a progress. And the key is staying committed when motivation disappears. Like what we have said on our past Go Live episodes, we're humans and motivation is just emotional. So you have to protect your system, because once your motivation is gone, everything will be broken. So for us, we have a system and we have to protect that, so that yung consistency namin tuloy-tuloy. Even if we're not feeling well, we still have to show up. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, as long as it's every day, grab that time. So, guys, for tonight, before we wrap up, I just want to remind each and every one of us that you might not be seeing progress now or result now, but slow progress is still progress, as long as you keep moving forward, and as long as you are consistent. So before we say good night, guys, do you have any words of wisdom for our viewers today?
Yes, if this message encouraged you, please share it with someone who needs a reminder that slow progress is still progress.
And when you're still if when you're still showing up, it means that you're already ahead of the person who gave up. So every skill you learn, every step you take, every time you choose to keep going despite the challenges, you are becoming the best version of you. Remember, success is not always on how fast you get there, but it's who you are becoming along the journey. So if the progress feels slow right now, don't be discouraged. Keep planting the seeds, keep watering with consistency, and keep trusting the process. Your journey is unique, your timing. Stay focused, stay grateful, and keep moving forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Sis Roxanne. Thank you, Sis Nemeline. So, if there's one thing that we want you to remember tonight is this: your progress doesn't need to be fast to be valuable. The person who keeps going will always have a chance. The person who quits guarantees they never see or they never reach their destination. So, guys, to our dear viewers, keep showing up, keep learning, keep growing, and keep planting that seeds. because one day you look back and realize that all those small, seemingly insignificant steps were actually leading you to somewhere incredible. So don't give up just because it's taking longer than you have expected. The life you're working for is still worth it. Your dreams are still worth it. And most importantly, you are worth the effort. So keep going. Your breakthrough may be closer than you think. So this is it for us tonight, guys. So have a good weekend ahead of you. God bless us all and enjoy and always make time for your families. So have a happy weekend, everyone. Good night.
Thank you
Bye.
for watching. See you next
Thank you.
time.
Thank you.